In this lecture we shall learn more about RPA by experimenting with real-life example. I will also use the visual automation feature. This feature allows to visually detect elements on the screen for further action. Import RPA as R. Initialize the package by activating Visual Automation and Google Chrome. I have kept the turbo mode off for this example. Turbo mode allows to work at multiple times speed to finish your task. I will cover it in the coming lectures. I will open a website to convert picture format using URL command. You can do it manually, but with RPA I shall automate the task. First of all, you got to open the website manually you want to automate. This will enable you to look for necessary web elements for your RPA script. As I have opened the website for converting format of any picture. Select box will open a dialog box to select picture I want to convert. I have selected a tractor picture in PNG format. Now I would click the convert button. This has opened different conversion format options. Let's select BMP format for our conversion. Press convert button will start conversion process. Once it is finished, the file is available for download to your local storage. Click download button to finish the process. Let's move to our Python interpreter window and update the script as per sequence we have just observed. Don't forget to put quotation marks here. Let's run our script to open the desired website automatically. RPA will take some time to initiate the script and opens the desired website. The web page is opened automatically. Find web element for select file button. Press Ctrl Shift and I keys simultaneously to enter developer's tool. Click 3 dot on the right pane to copy the XPath option. As I mentioned earlier, XPath is my preferable choice. Return to our interpreter and use click command and paste the just copied XPath. This will tell the program to click the relevant button. Switch to the already opened web page to further update our code. As I click the Select File button, it opens a folder from where I need to select an image file to convert. Here is window address bar. I will use in my code to browse my computer for the required file location. I need to open image file with name tractor. Use print screen option to get screenshot to work with visual automation. Open the window paint application. Paste the already copied screenshot here. Put pencil icon where you want your text to be typed. On the bottom of screen, the coordinates are shown. Write down or just remember those. Return to your code page. Use type command and enter the coordinate we just written. After coordinate, write the folder address on your computer drive. This command will replace the text with your updated address of image folder. I shall repeat the same process for file name also. As you know, I want to open the tractor image file. So, I need to identify the coordinates using Windows Paint program. Enter these coordinates and text to be typed by the RPA. Insert Enter command here. Let's run the script again to see if it is correctly written. As you see, the program has imported the image file in PNG format. Let's convert it to our desired format using this collapse button. When it is clicked, it opens up several image formats to choose from. Copy its XPath and paste it in our code using click command. Next, we can either use XPath for selecting the required image format, or simply can write the name. I have written BMP as image format. Since visual automation is enabled, it will detect the BMP text there. We are almost done. The desired file format is selected. Need to press the Convert button. XPath will do this trick for us also. The converted file is ready to be downloaded. Switch to already opened web page where we had downloaded the file. Get the XPath of download button. Paste it in our code to finish the program. We are ready to run our RPA program. It is running smoothly. You are on your way to become an RPA expert. Happy coding!